Started in 1992 as a general contractor, doing work mostly commercial, a lot of commercial framing, so I was kind of used to a production role. In early 2000s, I was driving home from work one night, noticed a car wash that was still open, 10 o'clock at night, making money. It was a little in-bay automatic with a couple bays of self-serve, and I thought, man, this guy's really got it right. Here I am working at 10 o'clock at night, and he's in bed at home making money. So built a car wash. 6 months from the time I decided to do it, we were open. Again, it was a small town. I knew everybody, so I was kind of able to fast track things. Ran it for 6 months, thought it was the biggest mistake of my life. After 6 months, my accountant said, man, Mike, this is really a great business. You should build more. We ended up building 3 more, sold all 4 locations in 2013. Started MDB Car Wash Services, ran that through 2018, and we sold to Sonny's October of 2018. Being self-employed for 20-some years, one of my biggest concerns with selling the business was the culture. What's going to happen when we go from mom and pop to big business? When I flew out and met with Paul Fazio and his team, within an hour, I knew that this is where I should go. We've seen crazy growth since being purchased by Sonny's and joining their family in 2018. The growth has just been exponential. It's really a neat industry where you can come in, make great money, and have really a great career. It's really an evolving opportunity. Most people, when they think of car wash repair, don't really think of what's involved with it. They don't think of the electrical, the mechanical, the welding, the erection, the ongoing maintenance after the sale. We have a crew of service techs that are out in the field maintaining and repairing existing sites. We also have crews of installation techs that are out on sites doing installation work of new tunnels or remodels of existing tunnels. It's really exciting too to do something different every day. It's also a good feeling to go into somebody's site that's down, and when you leave, now they're up and running, they're making money again. On the installation side, you know, it's kind of fun too. You walk in, day one, it's just a big hole in the ground. 2 weeks later, you walk out, all the equipment's up, most of the car wash is ready to go. So that's an exciting, fun way, very satisfying at the end of the day to see something get done.